In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your return and refund policies in Shopify, ensuring your store policies are clear, comprehensive, and reflect your business values. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. You need to open your web browser and log into your shop's Shopify account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. This is the main hub for managing everything about your Shopify store. From the home page, we'll look for the settings option. This is where all your store's backend configurations live. Click on Settings and a menu will drop down with various options for customization and configuration. Within these options, you'll see Policies. Go ahead and click on Policies. This area holds the fundamental rules and guidelines for your store, including the important return and refund policies. Once you're on the Policies page, locate the section for the return and refund policy. Shopify makes this process straightforward by providing pre-written templates for different policies. To access these, simply click on Insert Template. Using a template is a great way to kickstart your policy writing as it offers a standard framework that you can customize to suit your specific needs. After inserting the template, take a careful look at it and make necessary adjustments. Ensure that it accurately represents your store's intended practices and addresses scenarios like how long customers have to return an item, who bears the shipping costs for returns, and if a restocking fee applies. These elements are crucial for setting clear expectations with your customers. With your policy in place, it's time to make it official by clicking on Publish. Publishing ensures your policy is visible to customers and becomes enforceable once set. Once published, exit the policy settings by clicking on the X at the top, returning you to the main settings area. At this stage, you might want to manage or tweak specific rules associated with returns. To do that, click on Manage. This area offers more granular control, allowing you to fine-tune aspects such as the return window, which defines the period during which your customers can return products. Additionally, consider addressing the return shipping costs, restocking fees, and specifying any final sale items that don't qualify for returns. Adjusting these settings ensures full clarity on customers' obligations and your store's responsibilities during a return. Finally, double-check all your changes, and when you're ready, click on Turn On to activate these policies. By completing this setup, you're not only establishing a customer-friendly process, but also safeguarding your business against potential disputes. Remember, having clear and accessible return policies can significantly enhance customer trust and loyalty, so it's worth the time and precision invested. And that's it! You've successfully set up your return and refund policies on Shopify. Thank you for following along, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need to make further adjustments to your store policies. Happy selling!